I found this giant American sycamore here at the Hopewell Furnace National Historic Site. Oh, there's an electric cable coming out of it. Look at that. I wonder if this is a powered tree. Very tall. Yeah, I don't think I'll be climbing that anytime soon. That's huge. Look at that. It's buried right in there. Right in the tree. All the way to the top. These trees are American sycamores. They have these large leaves that look like mulberry leaves, and then they have a standard looking trunk, normal looking bark, and then as you get to the top, the bark seems to fall off and they turn white.